This next tip is beneficial both for those shooting video and editing video. It's called the 180-degree rule. In a nutshell, this rule specifies that when you have a two shot, when you have two people in a shot, maybe with a conversation or like in this rap video here, it's generally a good idea to keep each person on the side of the camera that they initially are seen in. So we have here this guy in the striped shirt. You'll notice that as we cut, even as we go to different angles, he's still on the right side of the screen. So we could change like how we see this guy over the shoulder. So we could have had him in front and then this other guy in the back, but that would break this rule. Basically, the rule is again is that whenever there is two people talking, or it may be an interview, for example, you want to make sure that whoever is on the right side of your two shot stays on the right side. So if this was an interview and this guy was facing this way, what I would do is I would put the camera over this guy's right shoulder so that this guy would still be on the right side of the camera. Likewise, if I needed to get his face interviewed by this guy, I would put it over this guy's left shoulder. So that way this guy would still be able to be on the left side of the screen. You notice that even later on in this video, when we change the whole scene entirely, I still keep this guy on the left and this guy on the right, just to maintain continuity so the viewer always knows who is who. This might seem at first like a really inconsequential rule, but trust me, if you ever watch an amateur video production and you see this rule violated, it really is uncomfortable. There's something about seeing the flip side of what you're used to that is very off-putting. It just really throws you off guard. It just feels wrong. And the reason why I mentioned that this is good for people editing video as well is that you might have a director that made a mistake. And so you might need to do a flip. You might need to actually flip the footage so that the people can stay on the correct side that they should be on.